Hello everyone. Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about a fun with menus concept. In previous chapter we learned about fun with shapes and tool. In this chapter completely we are going to see about a menus concept. We have a edit menu in this chapter. In edit menu what are the things we have? So related to that concept only we are going to see in this chapter children. First, we are going to learn about a undo option, repeat option, cut option, copy option, paste option and clear selection option. Okay. First, first we are going to learn about a edit menu. It contains a frequently used option for editing picture. See here in MS Paint, some commands we are using frequently, right? So those things will be comes under the edit menu. It helps us for editing the pictures easily. Okay. See here we have the edit menus here. One is undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, clear selection and select all option. Okay. First is the undo option. Undo option is nothing but it will remove the last change you made to the file. Okay, it will just delete the last change that is happened. Okay, sure, we have the shortcut key for undo option also, that is Control plus Z. We have the shortcut key for undo option, that is Control plus Z. Next is a repeat option. It will reapply the last change you made to the file. It will reapply the last change that we made to the file. The difference between undo and repeat is undo will erase. Repeat will again it will repeat the last change. Okay. Here the shortcut key is Control plus Z. We have the shortcut key for repeat, that is Control plus Y. Undo is Control plus Z. Repeat is Control plus Y. Next, already we know cut, copy, paste option. Cut means it will cut the highlighted part. It will cut. Copy means the highlighted part will be copied and it will be placed somewhere else. I'll show you in the screen what is a cut, copy and paste option through the short clip. Cut. Cut's shortcut key is Control plus X. You just keep it in your mind. Cut, it is a scissor. It is X. Copy, C. It will start with a C. So Control plus C. Next is a paste. You just keep it in your mind. Paste is V. Okay. The shortcut key for cut, copy, paste is Control plus X, cut, copy, Control plus C, paste, Control plus V. And next here we are going to have a experiment how to cut, copy, paste. Okay. I'll show you in the short clip, right? And next is a clear selection. If you feel that we want to delete the particular part or the whole part, what you need to do is you need to just click the clear selection option. It will delete whatever in that selected part. Already we learned about the selection tool, rectangular form of select and freeform select. Rectangular select and freeform select. Through that selection tool, we can delete our particular part or the whole part of our selected images. Next, select all option. Instead of selecting each picture or each image, we can select all the images at a time. For that, shortcut key is Control plus A. Select all option is nothing but it will select the entire image. It will select the entire image and the shortcut key is Control plus A. Now I am going to show you on the screen how to do the cut, copy, paste. You just see here. Go to the selection tool. Select any either rectangular or freeform. Go to the edit menu. Click the copy option. Okay, the selected image is copied. Again, go to the paste option. Okay, so the one more image is pasted here. Okay, same procedure for cut. Okay, see here. Through selection tool, select the part of the image. Click a cut option. So the particular part will be cutted. Okay. Click the edit menu to paste the cutted part. Okay. This is our cutted part. Okay. So these are the procedure for cut, copy, paste, children. Go to the edit menu. Follow the same procedure for cut, copy, paste. I'll show you the undo and redo concept here. Children, now I'm going to explain you the undo and redo concepts here. See here, this is undo and this is redo. Okay. Here just I am drawing the triangle. Okay. You just see if I click the undo option, what is happening here. It's just deleting the last part what I did. You just see if I click the redo or a repeat, what is happening here? It will repeat whatever I did. Okay. So this is the usage of undo and repeat or redo commands in a paint window. Okay. I hope that everyone understand by seeing the cut, copy, paste short clip and as well as the undo and redo concept. So that's all about this chapter, children. Now we are moving to the textbook exercises. I request everyone to take the TB to complete the activities. Children, I request everyone to take a page number 46 to write your textbook activities. First is undo. First is undo. We need to write the purpose of the following editing menus commands. First, undo. It undoes the last action performed. I told that it deletes the last change. That means it removes the last change what we did in the MS Paint window, right? Yes. It undoes the last action performed. Next is a repeat. It will repeat the last command. That means what action we performed. Cut. To cut the highlighted portions. Copy. It will copy any highlighted portion to paste somewhere. So you need to write copy any highlighted portion. Next is paste. To paste on the window. Next is a clear selection. It will clear the selection. So write clear the selection. Next is a select all. Select the entire image. Next is copy to. Export a file to another application. Next is paste from. Import a file from another application. Next is a shortcut keys for the following command. Undo. Control plus Z. Repeat. Control plus Y. Copy. Control plus C. Cut. Control plus X. Paste. Control plus V. Select. Control plus A. Clear selection. DEL. That is a delete. Next, rearrange the jumble letter. First is copy. Second is cut. Third is edit. Fourth is repeat. Fifth is remove. Sixth is paste. I request everyone to copy the same in your textbook activities, children. I hope that everyone understood this chapter. In case any doubt, you ask me in the interactive session, children. Now I am going to end my session, children. Thank you. Bye. Take care.